Hi, this video is on how to use OBS Studio to record a video from somewhere else. Now I've got OBS Studio open right now. If you install and download OBS Studio, first of all, let me show you where you can find that at. If you go to the current download I've got on our mobile.nationaltrail.k12.oh. You just put mobile.nationaltrail.us and sign in. You will see in the teacher and the staff software, which you should have access to, you should see OBS Studio right there. In fact, I need to upload it, the newest version. But if you download that, or you could just Google OBS Studio, and you would download the version for PC. In fact, I'm going to download the current installer so I can put it up there in just a second. You download that, run the OBS Studio, and then you get what you're seeing right here. Now, when it first comes up, you're going to get I'm going to open up a blank scene. You're going to get a scene that shows nothing. And this is what it's going to look like. It's going to show your desktop audio. I have mine off and muted because I'm just using my mic. It's going to show nothing on your screen, and you'll have to add a resource or a source over here first. So you just click add and you put display capture. I've already got my displays on there. You would say display capture, you would say okay, and then you choose your display. If you've got two displays like I do, you could possibly choose either one. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and delete this and put my display 2 because that gets really confusing when you have two displays up there. So let me just do display capture, and I'm going to say my primary display there, which you're going to see back that over there. Once you get it set, you can resize it if you want to whatever portion of your screen you want, and when you've got it there, you can lock it. The other thing you can do if you decide to use OBS Studio in the future is to add your webcam. So you can go and click a plus and you can say video capture device. I've already got mine on there. It's that I can either choose chroma cam or my webcam. Chroma cam is how I get this see-through background that I use on mine so that I don't block as much of the real estate when I'm doing the class. But I'm going to hide that because that's not what I'm trying to show you how to do today. What I'm trying to show you how to do is how to capture a video so that you can use it. And in this particular case, I had a teacher ask me, I've got a subscription to something, it's got a really good video, how do I share that video to my students? Because obviously he doesn't want to give that subscription to somebody else. I'm going to demonstrate this with a YouTube video because it's just as easy to show that YouTube video. Now, in this case, I would go full screen with the video that you're trying to capture. I'm going to go ahead and back it all the way up to the beginning. And I'm going to show this YouTube video. Actually, this is, that's a bad choice. Let's see. Here, we'll do training and cooking with the Royal Marines. Let's say for some reason we want to do this. I don't know why you would. Anyway, one of the things I always do when I'm going to capture another video, number one, make sure don't let it be an audio. Put it on the highest quality so that you know that you'll get the highest quality the whole time for that video input. And make sure it's full screen, and you can see this what we're seeing here in OBS Studio is really my other screen. You can do it with the only one screen. It's just easier to do with two. The other thing is, if I want the sound from this video, I have to turn on desktop audio, and I would mute my mic so I get no background noise or anything with it at the same time. I'm not going to do that because I'm demonstrating this right now. And obviously I wouldn't have my webcam showing up here in the same time. So all I have to do then is hit start recording, come over here and hit play on my video. And by the way, it doesn't matter whether I have my sound muted or not. I just turned off the audio for that. I can adjust how strong the audio is for the thing that's playing there. If I want to, I'm going to go and pause that video because it doesn't need to be playing to show you the rest of this. So I'm recording this whole video. Like I said, I would have desktop audio on. When I'm done, I just hit stop recording. And now I have a video of the video that I can then use where I want to use it. Now, if this is a YouTube video, you won't be able to post it on YouTube. It'll say it's a duplicate video and probably will have copyright infringement of that. If it's from a website that you paid to have access to the video for, um, depending on whether it's copyright protected, you may or may not want to have that on your YouTube site. Now, if it's not copyright protected, you could just upload to YouTube and share that link out to your students. But if it is, that's when I have said in the past, the best thing you could do would be to just go and make I'm going to go ahead and go to Google Drive. I would make a Google Drive for your classroom, share it, and just drop the video in there, and then put the link to the video in your Moodle classroom. So they just click on that link, they watch it just like it is, and you can see there's some class videos already here that I've done that with. There's a class video of a class. I'm not sure why that one's in here, but you can see it plays just fine in Google Drive, just like anything else. So that I made that class video folder. I then hit share, and I have it shared. Anyone with a link can view. You can make it say, if it's copyright protected, I would say anyone at national trails with the link can view. That way it can only your students would be able to follow that link. Nobody else that's a guest in the course would be able to view that. And then just put that on your site in order to watch it. Hopefully that answers the question that I got specifically about this. Because you really don't want to give away your password to a specific account to students so they can watch a video. It'd be better if you just went through the pain of watching it once and recording it like this, and then you can just save that, like I said, in a shared folder in your Google Drive, and your students will be able to follow the link, they'll be able to watch the video, and you don't want to have to give away your specific credentials. Along with that, you can use that as a good way to watch a video and only record a section of it. You know, maybe it's a 2-hour video and there's 10 minutes worth of this is what's important to my class is the only thing I want them to watch. So make your own version of it that just includes that 10 minutes. Hopefully that helps. Talk to you guys later. Bye. I thought I forgot to record, but I remembered I was using